Hello, my name is Joshua Fish, and today I will show you how to upload a photo video to the Truman Photo YouTube account in 2020. I will be using a Mac running OS Catalina and Safari as my web browser, but many of these instructions will apply regardless to the operating system and web browser you choose to use. The first thing we'll want to do is go to YouTube, so we'll bring the mouse down to the toolbar, or the dock, and select the compass icon labeled Safari. Once Safari has opened, click inside the address bar at the top of the page and type youtube.com. Then press enter or return on your keyboard to load the page. Once YouTube has loaded, the next thing we'll do is sign in to our account by clicking on the blue sign in button located in the top right corner of the window. Typing in your Truman email account and clicking next will redirect you to the Truman login page, where you will fill in your username and password and select login. Once logged in, you'll be redirected back to YouTube, where you will see multiple channel options. Every Truman email account automatically has a YouTube account associated with it, but a user can create as many brand accounts as desired under the same email. Select the bubble next to our Truman Photo account and click OK. Now if you look in the top corner again, rather than the sign-in button, we'll see a T for Truman Photo. To upload a photo video to this account, click on the camera with a plus icon on it labeled Create, and select Upload Video. To choose the video you wish to upload, click the Select File button. This is where you'll need to know the location of the video file you'd like to upload. Using the sidebar, choose a location like your computer's desktop, Documents, Downloads, or an external drive. I'll choose my Joshua Fish drive here, and select the video you'd like to upload. Here I have a video featuring my friend Linnea's body of work, Altered Perceptions. Click the video so that it's highlighted in blue, then click Choose. The arrow icon will rocket into the air and your video is now being uploaded. Its percentage of completion can be seen towards the bottom of the pop-out window. Depending on the internet speed, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Truman's Wi-Fi tends to be pretty fast though, so you shouldn't have to worry. Now that your video is uploading, you'll see that there are a ton of crazy options and things to click and stages to complete, and if you'd like to learn more about these, watch the video to the end where I do my best to cover everything. But for now, I'm just going to go through the bare bones of making your video presentable. So first up is the title. This will be how your video is seen on YouTube. So I'm going to call this one Altered Perceptions, the name of the body of work, hyphen Linnea Moody, the name of the artist. Next is the description. I'm just going to copy a bit of text from a post that was made about the artist's work. There we go. Notice at the bottom I feature a link to the artist's website. When you type a link, be sure to start it with http:// so that it is clickable by viewers on YouTube. Then we have the thumbnail. This is sort of a preview of your video. By default, YouTube provides you with 3 random frames from your video for you to choose from, so I'm going to choose this one because it clearly shows the artist's work. We'll come back to playlists. Audience. Is this video made for kids? The question is a bit misleading. It's not asking if the material in the video is appropriate for children. This question is asking, are children the primary target audience for this video? I'm guessing that 99% of the time, the answer to this will be no. For this video anyway, I'm going to say no, since I'm pretty sure this video's primary target audience is adults. Now, age restriction. This is where we get into, is this video appropriate for minors? Nudity is allowed on YouTube as long as its purpose is for art or education, but generally it is preferred that videos containing nudity, violence, or even heavy amounts of swearing are marked as age restricted. This will require viewers to log into an account owned by someone 18 or older before viewing the video. However, since this video doesn't contain any content that would be considered graphic, I will keep no selected. The rest of this we don't need to worry about. Video elements we don't need to worry about. Finally, visibility. Public means that your video is visible to everyone. Unlisted means that your video is viewable only to those who have a link to it. This is useful, for example, if you want to share a video with students in a class, but not necessarily allow it to be found publicly. And private means that your video is only visible by you when you are signed into the Truman Photo account. In most cases, you want the video to be public. Once this is set, click Publish in the bottom corner, and congratulations! Your video is done and ready to be viewed by the world on YouTube. If you're still watching, that means you want to learn more about some of the other features we glossed over. The first thing is a thumbnail. Yes, YouTube does provide 3 default thumbnail options, but a custom thumbnail can be created and uploaded by clicking the Upload Thumbnail button here. The benefit of doing this is that it allows you more control over the first thing a potential viewer sees in regard to your video. Keep in mind that a created thumbnail must be no more than 1280 pixels wide and 720 pixels tall. Next is playlists. Playlists are a way for you to organize videos on your channel. So if we click this drop down arrow here, currently we don't have any playlists, but you can create one by clicking Create Playlist at the bottom, adding a playlist title, selecting your playlist visibility, public, private, or unlisted, then clicking Done. Your video will then automatically be added to the playlist you just created. We've already addressed the audience. Paid promotion. If your video contains some sort of paid advertisement for a product or service, that can be indicated here. I highly doubt that will be the case for any of our photo videos though. Now, tags. Tags can be useful for helping people find your video on YouTube if they do not know the title or name of the channel. Tags are added by typing a word or phrase into this box and then pressing the comma key on your keyboard to separate the tags. So I'll go ahead and add some tags. I try to use words that are vague yet related to my video so that people searching for these words on YouTube may come across my content. This section, I believe, helps with automatically captioning your video. You can select the language your video is in. I'm not sure what the caption certificate is because I'm totally not an expert on these sort of things, so we're just going to leave that alone. Recording date and location. This is where you can provide this information. Since photo videos like this aren't really filmed at any one specific time or location, I don't think providing this information would be of any benefit, so we'll leave this alone as well. License and distribution. You'll want to leave this set to the standard YouTube license. From what I understand, selecting Creative Commons license means that you are okay with your work being used and manipulated without your knowledge, but again, I'm not an expert on this. Leaving it on standard YouTube license has not caused me any issues though, so that's what I'd use. I'd leave Allow Embedding on. This will allow other people to showcase this YouTube video on their website, which is really just good promotion as it will always link to this channel. Also, leave this next box checked so that your subscribers are notified when you upload a new video. Category. This is where you describe the purpose or genre of your video. As you can see, there's no photography option, so I think the best one to choose would be film and animation, as it seems to be the most closely related to art. However, depending on the content of future bodies of work, I can see entertainment or education being possible options. Comments and ratings. I generally leave comments sorted by top and likes on so that viewers can engage with the content I'm uploading and leave their own thoughts and critiques. So that's all for details. Now we can go up to video elements. YouTube allows you to add elements within your videos that can be clicked and linked to external sites, other videos, or your channel. However, since the primary focus of this channel is currently just to share work locally and with friends and family, I don't think it's worth fussing over these extra promotional details. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about uploading a photo video to the Truman Photo YouTube channel in 2020. Thanks for watching.